Good morning and Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? I am fine and I hope you all are also fine and enjoying your vacations. So, we are going to start our lesson there. So now our chapter name is Getting Lost. What is our chapter name? Getting Lost. Gum ho jana. First remember this that what's the name of our chapter? Getting Lost. Gum ho jana. First of all, we are going to learn the DIC words from this chapter. Superstore. What is our first word? Superstore. And the second is parents. What is our second word? Parents. Third is cross. Cross. Fourth is finished. Finished. Fifth is national language. National language. Next one is ice cream, mangoes, plate, gone, remember. Now I am going to revise these words. Superstore, parents, cross, finished, national language, ice cream, mangoes, plate, gone, remember. Now you have to learn these spellings and write on your notebook. Okay, students? So, after learning the DIC words, we are going to make some sentences of the words. Play. Play means khelna. Now, you have to make sentence of play. Remember, याद करना. Remember, याद करना. Written, लिखना. Homework, घर का काम. Help, मदद करना. Now, this is your duty that you will make sentences of these words. As we also learn in our classrooms that what is noun? Noun is the naming word. What is noun? Noun is the naming word. I am going to remember to you that what is noun? Noun is the naming word like name of a person, place or a thing. Noun is the naming word. In one word, we can describe that. What is noun? Noun is naming word. A name of any person, place or a thing. Now this is your question number 4. Write 10 nouns from your surroundings. Write 10 nouns from your surroundings. Now you have to write 10 nouns. Look at your surroundings and write 10 nouns. Okay? So students, this is your first video lesson. I hope that you all enjoyed and you must complete your works. Okay, have a good day. Stay home, stay safe. Inshallah, we will meet in our next lesson.